teachers, welcome to this training. EcoExcel, Excellence in Child Education and Learning, is an effort by the state government to transform the basic education sector. This training is specially designed to upscale and upskill you, our wonderful teachers and caregivers. As teachers who are part of EcoExcel, you will be receiving training from skilled professionals. You will learn the latest and most effective teaching method leveraging technology. You will also be shown how to leverage your teacher's device so that you can teach better lessons and track pupils' performance. You will be supported to help your pupils accelerate their learning experiences and compete with their peers in Nigeria and globally. Duration of the training, 10 days, 14 to 25th September 2020. Your daily schedule, 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Plus, you will be getting some homework as a take-home. As we all know, this is a new normal. We must try and maintain all COVID-19 hygiene protocols, such as face masking, maintaining social distance, and regular hand washing. 100% attendance and punctuality. Participate actively. Always try to go above and beyond minimum requirements. Give and receive direct feedback adequately. Handle your teacher device with care. Be civil and professional at all times. I wish you all a productive and impactful training experience. Thank you.